Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to deal with the direction questions which are almost in every exam, from Olympiad to banking to SSC. In almost every exam, they cover the direction question, and it kills a lot of time in thinking about right, left, east, west. It is a very time-taking job. So today we will discuss without pen and paper, without drawing the diagram, how you can deal with this question. Doesn't sound interesting? Let's try without wasting much of the time. So see, when we see of about the direction, there are four directions. So east, west, north, and south. These are the four basic one. And if you cut diagonally, this is northeast, northwest, southwest, and southeast. Okay. Now see, I am saying I'll be doing without diagram. So what we have to do, just we have to note it down. 900 kilometer towards the south. See here, numbers are not involved, so no need to take numbers. So south, okay. Then east, right, east. After walking 900 kilometer towards the north, north again, and then walking 300 kilometer to the west. So west, okay. Now you see south and north cancel and only remain east and west. So now which is bigger? East is 700 and west is how much? 300. East is bigger by 400. So which direction it will be moving? East. From this starting point, he will be east. Okay, clear? Very, very easily, we will be cancelling off east with west, left with right, and south with north. Alternatively, west and east, right and left, and north and south will be cancelled off. Let's try some more example. Mr. Deepak Raja walks 5 kilometers towards the south. So what I say? 5 kilometers towards the south. Sorry, 5 kilometers towards south. Then turn to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turned to the left and walked 5 kilometers. Okay. What direction is he facing right now? So whenever there is a only direction, no need of writing numbers. You can just cancel left and right. And now direction is what? South. The answer will be only south direction. Very easily you can fix the answers. Okay, let's take another example. So Mr. Jumbo, the circus juggler, walks 5 kilometers towards the south. So south. Then he walked north 5 kilometers, then to his right, and then right again. Then he moved to the left, 3 times left, and then turned to the right. So in exam, we go on counting and drawing the figures, where left, where right, twisting our body like a slithery snake, slithering down like a snake. It's still a lot of time. After walking 3 kilometers, he turned to the left. So see, I'll cancel south, north, finish. 3 right, 3 left, cancel. Right and left, cancel. So whichever direction he has started, that only direction will be he facing. So south only. Okay. So very, very important method. You must take care of this and try to learn it and implement it. Now, Mistress Lipika started her home in north direction. So north direction. After walking for 15 meters, she turned to the left and walked 16 meters. Now she turned to the left and walked 14 meters. After which she turned to the left again and walked 15 meters, and then to her right and walked 25 meters. Now finally she turned to the left. Look at this statement. Whenever it is say finally she turned to the left, and they are asking you what direction is she facing now, so no need to do anything. Finally to the left. Okay, so here you put and walk 15 and then turn to her right and then left. So right, left, cancel. And from north, how much degree? Left. So north is this and left is 270 degree, because every turn is 90 degree. So 270 degree, 90, 90 and 90. So which direction is he moving? So this is moving towards east direction. Okay. Let's go ahead. So you can see here by the diagram also, it is coming east, but it takes a lot of time when we draw. Okay, facing to the south, Sam turns in certain way. Which of the following turn will lead him to the same side? Okay, let's see. So south, then left, left, right, left, left, right, cancelling, left, right, left, right. So after south, 2 left. See here. So we can cancel here, right, left, left, right, left, right, 0. So this will give you same direction. Check other option also, left, right, left, right, left, right. So all get cancelled. So which of the following turn will not lead him? So here also same. Now see here, right, left, same, right, left, same. So definitely what will be your answer? 1 will be the answer because all get cancelled off. And here it doesn't get cancelled off, south plus 2 left turn. You are understanding? This way it will be bringing a revolution in your question of direction, because you see it's only a matter of time in examination, and aptitude is a section which is very important nowadays, and that is killing a lot of time of students, because they are focusing on maths, they are focusing on science, they also take time for English, but nobody try to focus on this, and it's killed lot of time while solving during the exam. You keep on moving your hands left, right, it's grow very crazy. When I teach my student, I always say aptitude is very important, and start focusing at a very early age. Okay, let's go to the next question. A boy walked 150 meters towards east. Okay, so 150 meters towards east. Okay, you can put like this if numbers are also asked, but if not, then it's not necessary. Then he turned left. After that, he turned right and covered a distance of this. He then turned right and covered a distance of this. Finally, he moved towards southwest. Okay, so in this direction is given. Finally, he moved towards southwest. Inverse direction is facing now, so no need to solve anything. Southwest will be the answer, because they have already give you the answer. They are only testing your brains and presence of mind. Are you reading the question nicely and you are utilizing your brain to the fullest? So when he say finally he moved towards southwest, which direction is he facing now? So definitely southwest. They have only twisted the question to the maximum extent. Okay, next. Amit started walking, positioning his back toward the sun. That means what? Sun is rising in east. That means he is moving in the west. After some time, he turns left, then turns right, and towards the left again. In which direction is he facing now? So left and right cancelling. So west and then left. So west, and then you have to think left. So see, it can be two direction, like this also and like this also. So it could be either north, either south, depending on whether you have taken because you don't know which direction is the sun now. Okay, so that's how it could be north or south. Okay, next. An elephant walks as given below. 500 meters to the east. So 500 to the east. Then south he moved 500 meters. Then west he moved 1200 meters. And then north he moved 250 meters. Okay. Finally, he moved to the east direction and covered 700 meters. Okay. So whenever we have same direction, we are going to add. So east plus east is 1200. And now west is 1200. South is 500 and north is 250. Now I tell you opposite direction will get cancelled off. East and west cancel off. So south and north is 500, 250. So overall S is 250. So which direction will be here? South and 250 meter. So initial point and final point 250 meter, and the direction will be south. See how easily you can do that. I'm just challenging. This is the most simplest method I could ever visualize in direction. So thank you for listening so carefully. Be tuned to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.